Can you show us how you can sit up? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna roll over? You ready to play? This is one of her new tricks. Let's see if we can get her to do it. There you go, sitting up.